Hi, I would like to share with you how to create a post. So when you are on your feed, at the bottom right hand corner, you'll see a green circle with a black plus sign. Click on this plus sign. After this, you will be prompted to choose a category. Now don't stress too much, there's no real right or wrong to this. This is just a category. So my post will be a health and a sport, so I click on health and sport. Now what you need to do is you need to upload media. Because this is a health and a hobby, it is not required to put a date and a time. Some of the other categories might request you to add a date and a time, but for this specific situation in health and sport, it only requires me these three criteria. So we are going to go ahead and upload media. So I click on upload media. From there, I need to choose gallery. So in my gallery, I'm going to choose this specific photo. I want to add another photo, so I'm going to click on upload media again, click on gallery, choose another photo, and I want to choose another photo, go to gallery again, and I choose this photo, and then the last one, gallery again, and I choose this photo. So now the next thing I need to do is I need to choose a title. So this is, let's say, hiking at Lion's Head. And then the next is I need to give it a description. So I'm going to say that hiking at Lion's Head in Cape Town. From there I click done, and the very last thing I need to do, on the top right hand corner I will see there's a button post. Click on post and it says post created successfully, and I can click on OK.